Good morning, Pankaj here. Today we will discuss the off-road market and BKT, that is Balakrishna Tires, as we like the stock. The off-road tires market is around $15 million USD, which can be broken into OTR segment, which contributes around two-thirds to the market, and rest comes from agricultural tires. Michelin Incorporation, which is a global tire major based out of Europe, is expecting the mining segment to grow, while agriculture tires is expected to take few more quarters to post growth. Michelin has guided around 4 to 5% growth in specialty tires, which includes mining and agri tires in 2017. These segments have been degrowing for past few years. According to Michelin, the sector is expected to show growth of around 10 to 12% in mining versus around 8 to 10% guided earlier, while the company expects around 25 to 30% growth in mining tires by 2020. Michelin forecasts are based on rebound in mining tire demand, with rising demand driven by end of destocking, OEMs agri demand, which is expected to be stable, and OE's demand to be sustainable, with replacement demand buoyed by early buying due to price hikes. We like Balakrishna Tires from long-term investment point of view. Balakrishna industry is expected to outperform the global OHT market and acquire around 7 to 8% market share, which currently stands at around 5%. This would be led by penetration in OTR sales, which contributes around one third to its sales, but accounts for around 65% for global market, where Balakrishna Tires has just 2% market share. The company wants to take its market share to 4 to 5% in couple of years. The company has maintained that FY18 growth guidance of 7 to 10%, considering the subdued environment, with scope for further increase following the strong traction in mining. BKT is currently operating at 60% utilization, and the company guides for full utilization over next 3 to 5 years. Well, let us discuss about the global markets yesterday. US markets ended mixed as investors digested corporate earnings reports yesterday. Dow Jones lost by around 55 points to close at 21575, while Nasdaq gained by 0.5% to close at 6344. Asian markets are currently trading in green amidst mixed cues from Wall Street and concerns over dim prospects of US healthcare reforms, which has weighed on dollar index. Nikkei is trading higher by 0.1%, Hang Seng is trading higher by nearly 0.5%, and currently SGX Nifty is trading higher by 0.1%. Important results to be watched out today are Bajaj Finserv, Canara Bank, Havells India, Jubilant Industries, KPIT Tech, Mastech, Mindtree, Sterlite Technology, etc. As per IMD, Indian monsoon rainfall is in excess of 89% throughout the country. Important stock specific news: Aurobindo Pharma has obtained US FDA approval for R-Renvigla tablets. Additionally, the company has also received US FDA approval for generic version of Sevelamer tablets, which is used in treatment of chronic kidney diseases. Thank you.